Hi everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video about VoiceThread and how to access students' videos, or to see if students' videos are not in the grading plane. So here we have a list of students in our course, in our Essentials course currently, who seem to not have submitted a video. Now I'm working on finding out exactly what the disconnect is, but I'll move on from there. So what you need to do is go down to the question mark at the bottom of the screen beneath the grading plane of your students and click on that. And you'll see that opens up into VoiceThread, right? So VoiceThread proper. What you want to do is you want to go to VoiceThread Home. And once this window opens, you're going to see a really long list of different VoiceThreads because I have a variety of different VoiceThreads in my VoiceThread catch. So I want to go down to my Essentials, the current Essentials, which is this one, October 7th to November 11th, and I want to click on that. Now that's going to allow me to funnel out just the VoiceThreads that are in this current section, right? So what I'm looking for are students whose VoiceThread does not show up here and here, right? The VoiceThreads that are here. So for Lauren and John and William and the like. So I see the first one is Michael, and I see Michael's VoiceThread. Here's Brooks, and I'm not looking for Brooke. She's not in this list, right? So that's good. Here I see Stacy's, and this is Teresa Gallows. Okay, so I'm just scrolling through to find, and of course Teresa has two. Cassandra, she's not what I'm looking for. Jessica, there's Michael. Here's Desiree Easter, she's on the grading plane list. So I'm just going through. I know there's at least two VoiceThreads in here that are not in the grading plane, but they currently have a VoiceThread. Oh, don't want that. Sorry, accidentally clicked on the help there. This is quite a tiny little area. So if you see here, Tony is listed here in the not submitted, but Tony did submit her VoiceThread. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down a little further. Rachel's not on this list. Elizabeth's not, but Johanna is. So Johanna, right, submitted her VoiceThread outside of the grading plane as well. So you can see that just to double check, a quick double check to see whose VoiceThreads may be in the system but not in the grading plane. This is where you would look for those. Now it's obvious that we're still missing some VoiceThreads here, but those particular students wouldn't be the ones that I would send reminders to. It would just be individual students. Now I can click out of here because I've checked. Now I can remind individual students, like we didn't see Lauren or John's or Williams, so I could remind them individually, but I wouldn't want to remind all these students because I did find a VoiceThread for Johanna and for Tony. If you have any questions about how to work the grading function of VoiceThread within Essentials, please feel free to reach out to me.